Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus Earth sign, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from May 24th to May 31st. So let's see your recent past. Justice, King of Swords, Knight of Wands. Reconciliation. Your person could be Libra. Definitely your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your person want to come towards you definitely very fastly. There is a communication between both of you, and reconciliation is already happened. Justice. In past there could be a small communication or less communication, or could be a separation between both of you. Then your person will already ask second chance to you. So he also want to come towards you in past. So let's see what is happening in your connection right now, Taurus. Your person definitely wants second chance. So 8 of Cups, but one person is walking away. So one person is not accepting their offer. 8 of Wands, 9 of Cups. Definitely one person is walking away from this relationship, but another person is wanting, and you are their wish fulfillment definitely. So who stays in this relationship? So who walked away, they are there. Here their wish fulfillment. Definitely communication is coming in your way, and the situation is also moving in a different way in near future definitely. So definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation, but one person is very upset with that situation. That's why they are walked away. So let's see, Taurus, your person near future actions towards you. Lot of cards, but I am taking only this one. 10 of Swords, Queen of Wands, 5 of Swords. Definitely some cycles are going to be end in near future. Definitely disputes are going to be end. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely a lot of fire energies here, water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Your person could be, definitely there is some passion between both of you. You both are attracting each other. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Taurus. Page of Wands, messages, communication. Definitely you both will communicate, it is for sure. 6 of Wands, the Lovers, your person, or you could be Gemini, and the last card, Queen of Pentacles. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation, because the Lovers and 6 of Wands here, definitely your person wants success with you, or you want success with them. Definitely an apology is coming in your way. So when you accept this apology, there will be a reconciliation. The energy between both of you become very honest and loving. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation if you accept their apology. So it's up to you. So it's in your hands right now to accept this offer or not. Definitely, because there is a lot of passion between both of you, and there is a love also between both of you, because the Lovers is here. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.